for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. It's another spring cleaning from my spring cleaning series. In today's video, you will see me tackling my living room, my dining room, and the hallway. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. What you're looking on is currently the state of what my living room, dining room, and hallway is looking like. So we're going to transform this space along with my mom to get it from Christmas into spring. So I know you may be saying like,
wait a minute,
what, Christmas? Well, yes, girl. I did undecorate, but I kept the colors of the red and green. So now we're going to take away that Christmas colory feeling. And I know spring should still be bright, but we're going to go with gray because I feel like it will still be airy and nice. So that's what we're doing. Okay, that's what we're doing. So again, sit back, grab your popcorn, your snack, your drink, and just watch me transform this space. If you haven't already subscribed, as I said before, subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start cleaning. So here I am showing you the hallway or the walkway, the entryway, whichever way you want to put it. We're looking on that way. My mom has already gone ahead and removed some of the items so I can actually clean the area. So we're going to start by taking up this rug and start cleaning and dusting the rest of the walls and start cleaning the closet. So yeah, let's go. In my previous cleaning vlog, I stated how horrible this cleaning machine, steam machine is. But I had to revert to it because when it comes on to these, what you call these vents, it does wonders. So it's good for something. I just don't see it being good for everything. But it did well in what it needed to do here in these vents. It took things out that was just like, you'll be like, what? It's crazy. But yeah, I reverted to it. So I'm gonna take back what I said before just a little bit, not completely, just a little bit. Okay, so now the entryway is done. Let's start cleaning the living room. Okay, so we took a break, we had dinner, and so now we're starting again. At this point, my mom had already cleaned this entire area. She had wiped down, removed everything, dust down, wipe off the walls. So basically, I'm just doing fine tuning to put things where I want them to go. So my mom had already gone ahead and vacuumed the rug, so I'm just here steaming it, getting it fresh and nice. I realized that these stains were very stubborn, so I went ahead and I got my OxiClean stain remover spray just to assist in removing these tough on stains. Okay, it's now time to clean the dining room. So my mom have already cleaned most of the walls and took off everything off the furniture and wiped the furniture and everything. So again, just fine tuning.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.